87. Tutoring service provides academic support and tutoring for students in various subjects, including test preparation. Considerations: teaching skills, subject expertise, and personalized instruction. 88. Computer repair offers repair and maintenance services for computers and related hardware, including diagnostics and upgrades. Considerations: technical skills, equipment, and customer service. 89. Mobile app testing provides testing services for mobile applications to identify bugs and ensure functionality. Considerations: testing skills, attention to detail, and knowledge of testing tools. 90. Legal services offers legal advice and representation in various areas of law, including family, business, and criminal law. Considerations: legal expertise, client relationships, and case management.